Morning, guys. So I woke up early today because I'm doing some traveling. We are going to St. Thomas for a funeral. Yes, just came down yesterday and on the road already. So that's what we're about to do. Got dressed. The funeral is at 12. It's 11:30 and like we're not like nowhere near St. Thomas. We stop at Juicy Beef to get on cheese patty. So yes, we're eating this with our orange box drinks. So yeah, we're just gonna go to the funeral. So you know, when I get there, you know, show you guys what's going on and stuff. Morning, guys. So I don't know if you guys saw, I don't know if I did even vlog. Mikayla some barrel with some stuff for like a sell or whatever, you know, household stuff. Kitchen curtain, bathroom rug, window curtain and stuff like that. I'm in the one guy Lindsay go sell with my grandmother because you know she have stuff selling too or whatever. But B, say good morning.
Good morning.
B, no, I don't go to Lindsay or whatever. We want to try to like stay at yard and try to sell as much as he can. And you know, we get some people and we get some orders and stuff like that, which is good. So these are the remaining stuff that I have. We are gonna try to tie them up and go Lindsay. I'm not sure if we can make it to Lindsay today. Cause the time now, what time is it be?
12.
About 12 o'clock now. And you know, you're supposed to go like from early. But I don't know, we'll see what's going on. I mean, if I'm on, I kind of feel like hungry now. Want something to eat. B need to go bathe so we can go do road because me need me sitting himself. So I don't have to worry about those stuff. So then the rest of my trip I can spend like enjoying myself with my man. And yeah. So that way I do. B, you talk to the people that you have to come.
What am I talking to them?
You have to talk to Loda.
What am I talking to them?
You know, you miss them?
Not really.
B, you don't miss them?
B.
They miss you.
Oh. B, stop video me now, man. Leave me alone now, man.
No bad, no go on bad. Yeah, B. You know there, so no. Janice. Janice. The boss, you come with the again now. Why you have to work, we have to still somewhere in the bit.
Linz did not catch me right outside a house.
Camera.
Look here. Family are set up. 2-5.
Tell you all about the road things.
A good things them. Good morning, guys. I'm at Lincoln Market. We reached too late, but me there. I don't know if I said me there. Sort out my stuff then. Bathroom rug, shower curtain. We have clocks, and then see my granny style here. She has some clothes, Walipa shoes, Fabulosa and stuff. Granny, you get sale for money? Enough sale?
We sell over 60,000.
Eh? Chuchu? Granny, I go on with things. But yeah, we're there. The sun turn up. You know, pray myself everything because I don't want to come back or something there. If you guys don't know what this is gunga peas. It's a gunga peas, and then you just shell it out, and they come like this. So nothing on 2-2-1 right now. So my granny just shell out some peas. Guys, the sun turn up for me. Me broke my ducks, but I know nothing much. Just toes and all, I know nothing that. I can't take this sitting, you know. I swear. And I haven't even been here for like a good 2 hours yet. There. So guys, we get sky juice. Nice. Ranch is good. Guys, I'm packing up early because nothing on going for me. So yes, my granny is still stay here. I go and juggle and see what she can do. I don't know, I think it's better if we just like go drive around and open back the car and like stop at like the major like towns and cities and see if people would buy some stuff. So we all gonna do that now. And yeah, me not even make $3,000, guys. I swear. It was better yesterday when I was like up at the house and people come on and buy. I swear. Good morning, lovely people. Happy Sunday. So me and Babes wake up and yeah, go on the road, go collect something real quick and then come back in our house and something there. Probably go bathe, get ready. I didn't want it to like pack up my food bars them because I'm going to my stepfather's family and we bring like some food kind for them. So I just wanted to like get everything situated, give whom I'm giving stuff, so then that way I don't have to worry about it or whatever. And we might as well just do that now, like how we just wake up or whatever, and then we just be it and like go up on the road and stuff. My grandmother's supposed to be cooking Sunday dinner. So I'm probably gonna eat dinner from her. But gotta be done I cook too, you know. So what? So what you gonna do?
I don't know, B. See something tomorrow?
See something? You know, I'm gonna let them do style day. Guys, so, alright, I don't have a problem with eating like leftover foods, but like I prefer food when it's just fresh. But yeah. So I thought we are gonna know. Here is my breakfast, kalu and hardo bread. The good things them. Wait a second, but stop vlogging. Alright guys, so I come feed some pig. See one there. And then one next one. Over this. They get bigger? Yeah. This. And way up this where I come from. Nearly dropped. But I made it. Like going over this one. Like cleaning. There's the feeding. my kids. Guys, so I just done wake up from a nap. Me and B will come up on the road. He has some work. I'm gonna mash up, like string up sound or whatever. They tell him how long is it gonna take? He said 30 minutes. Reach 2:45. Me sleep, me wake up now. Almost 4:30 now. I don't know, B can't done. Or something that, boy. This whole sound stuff, like, I do not like it. And like, what B feel for real? Like, I already told him, like, yo, when I come down, you know, when nobody I call your phone for say, yo, come make this a box here, come string up this, come hook up this or whatever, because it's me and you time. But like, in phone just a ring song, and everybody need their stuff. I know the music starts again and I don't want to get copyrighted, but like, I don't like it. I understand say like, yo, and if you make money, but like, I come first. Do I sound selfish? No. I mean, I like his own business. Just sit on an idea. I'm Karen. I like I love music, but when it comes to like stringing it up and the technical stuff with it, I mean, I like it. B love it. B sleep, drink, breathe. That be all about in song. You know, guys, I'm tired. Well, not tired. I just woke up, but like, I don't know. More use the bathroom. More party. I don't know. Hopefully come now because we want to go river bash later. I gotta go see my grandmother and drop off something and pick up something. I had to put off a lot of stuff today because I didn't get calls for come string up soon. You know, I did plan to like pack up my food, borrow them, and go to my stepfather's family and give them what I was giving them, but I couldn't do that because Beaple left to come deal with sound stuff. So, you know, I'm fed up, guys. Fed up. But we'll see how long B. I got something there. He keep getting called because I hear him and I talk about say, oh, me soon come, I'm gonna come deal with that or whatever. So I feel like you have one next something to go deal with. I mean, I know that. So I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know what going on.